Apprenticeship is an opportunity for students to take the skills that they've learned in career tech and expand them into a registered or recognized apprenticeship.
I wanted to do the apprenticeship program because I wanted to learn as fast as I could, because I wanted to get out and work. And being part of the apprenticeship program really helps with that.
There's on-the-job training with one of our local employers, and then also related technical instruction back here at school. Our rotation is an A-B rotation, where students will come to school half of the month, 2 weeks, get their academics for the high school diploma, as well as the other 2 weeks they're back with the employer getting that on-the-job training.
It's way less stressful. During school, you're working on schoolwork, you have tests coming up. If you're in sports, you have practice still. And then when you come to work on your 2 weeks, it's just, you're not even thinking about school when you're at work, For those 2 weeks, when you're in school, it's just about school. When you're at work, it's just about work.
So it keeps it fresh and interesting, and then making the money's nice as well.
Students have an opportunity to come to the Career Center as a junior year, qualify for the apprenticeship program.
It gives kids my age and experience to actually work in a full-time job environment. It's a great work environment and there's great people here. Not every kid has that chance, and I'm really grateful that I do.